What is up guys, I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be unboxing the new iPad Air. So, you can see me starting with the outer box, and I'm already struggling to get the iPad out. I must say I'm quite impressed with the way the iPad was boxed, because the tape on the outside ensures that the package doesn't move around while the delivery driver is chucking it at your house. The iPad I have here is the iPad 2020 model, which was released just a few weeks ago. The specs are a significant upgrade, with the main changes being the screen and finally the inclusion of a USB-C port as opposed to the Lightning ports they've had in the past generations. I finally managed to get the box out, and now we can move on to the unboxing experience.
One hour later.
The iPad is the first thing you see when you open the box, and I'm not complaining, because I'd like to know whether the thing I paid £535 for is still intact after DHL handles the delivery. Anyway, the first thing that struck me about this iPad was how light and thin it was. This iPad comes in at 458 grams with a thickness of just 6.1 millimeters. Other items that come in the box include the operating manuals, a power brick, and a charging cable. Thankfully, Apple is still including a power brick in the iPad box. Here you can watch me try and attempt to peel off the plastic packaging without touching the iPad, but inevitably fail because it's impossible. Behold, the iPad Air 4, or the iPad Air 2020. Of course, I'm not done yet. What iPad is complete without its companion, the Apple Pencil, coming in at an affordable £120. You can't go wrong with this. The inside of this box isn't too interesting, as it just comes with a few manuals and the Apple Pencil itself. The Apple Pencil, when held, is thicker and also a bit heavier than your standard biro. I think it's also something that will take a bit of getting used to while using it with the iPad. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. After this, I stuck on a screen protector and threw on a case. Right guys, so a quick update on the case, and I've actually found something quite terribly wrong with it. In fact, if I go to lift up my case right now, look at that. And if I grab it from the other corner, then it comes out as well. This is quite disappointing from ESR cases, as I expected a better quality product, but I guess I'm going to have to return it. Don't buy this case. There is absolutely no denying that this iPad is incredibly good looking, incredibly light, compact, easy to carry and use. After all, it is an Apple product and they're always going to sell. It will be interesting to see how I fare with it, as I've never actually used an Apple product extensively before, and it will be cool to see how it stacks up against university work and day-to-day usage. So stay tuned for that review, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.
Keep it on the level, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the ladder while you bring me up a shovel. I can do this all day, I can do this all night.